shit. Working on the weekend like usual.
Oh shit.
Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Roger got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you fools us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
So today, working on fixing my exhaust tips, and one Canadian Tire. This is what I bought. I got Sawzall kit, all types of blades, wood, steel, everything. Got some wire, some welding wire. It's gonna help out with the welding, and 2.5-inch pipe. I'm gonna have to cut that in half, and then weld the tips on this. So it's probably gonna be the first thing I'm gonna do. Definitely cut it in half and weld the tips on. So I finished cutting the pieces. There's the first one, and here's the second one. Cut it just with a Sawzall. Now I'm gonna go cut it off again. So the tips are on. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It's kind of dark to see, but I got my light right here.
Yeah, that's my fucking drift tips right there. That's just gonna be spitting flames. Did it pretty good. I got the pipes the right size, so I just tack welded it on after I hammered it. But yeah, they are on. Pretty straight. I think I did a pretty good job. The last one was done all fucked up, but probably.
How many years old? Yo, rev your instruments. Rev mine, I mean.